Happy Thursday, everybody. We're going to start our lesson. Remember, we're going to start with our rhyming. I'm going to say two words that rhyme. You're going to repeat and then give me a thumbs up if they rhyme, a thumbs down if they don't. Sit, kit. Good, should. Eat, sheet. Plum, thumb. In, out. Great job. Next one is our onset fluency. This is where I say two words that start with the same sound, then you repeat. Object, odd, awe. Red, race, Say, seem, s. Tail, took, t. At, as, ah. Great job. Next, we're going to get out our choppers. We are going to blend our phonemes. So we're going to chop a word into two pieces and then blend it together. Watch me, then it's your turn. S, E, see. W, a, way. N, e, knee. Oh, no. Pie. Great. Next one is isolating final sounds. This is where we're going to punch it out, all right? So I'm going to say a word and punch my arm straight up in the air for the final sound. Watch me, then you try it. Cage. Miss. Love. Put. Fox. Great. Next one, we're going to be segmenting phonemes again. You're going to need your choppers. This time we're going to say the word first, then chop it into two pieces. High. I. May. A. Shoe. Ooh. Way. A. Fee. E. Great. Next one is adding phonemes. You're going to need your hands. We're going to start with the end of a word and add the beginning. Watch me, then it's your turn. I. Add My. Oh. Add t. Toe. Ooh. Add d. Do. E. Add Me. A. Add s. Say. Great. Next one is deleting a part of a word. So in your hands, you're going to hold a little word and we're going to take away a part of that word. Watch me, then you try it. He. Without what's left is E. You got it. Lay. Without what's left is A. Without t, what's left is ooh. Pie. Without p, what's left is I. Low. Without ooh, what's left is oh. Great. All right, next one is substituting phonemes. You're going to need your two fists, and we're going to be changing out a part of the word. Repeat after me. Said. Change s to b. Bed. Good job. Bed. Change b to Red. Red. Change to h. Head. Head. Change h to l. Lead. Lead. Change l to s. Said. Awesome. All right, the last thing we're going to do today is our language awareness, our rhyme. We've been learning Little Jack Horner. So today, I'm going to say the first 5 lines. You're going to do your best to repeat it back. If you can't remember, just rewind your video a little bit. Little Jack Horner sat in a corner, eating a Christmas pie. He put in his thumb and pulled out a plum. Your turn. Great job. We're going to hear the ending tomorrow. Have a great day. Bye.